I'm Charlene Versfeld. I'm a publicist. I promote arts and culture, and I've been working on the Contemporary Dance Festival for about 16 years. Janessa, what I find fascinating about this little tour is that we see the dance over the years, and we see it individually. And to do this little tour of what's it, 10?
Yes.
10 pieces, and to see it sort of funneled into a short space of time, into an hour, it's absolutely fascinating, and you can see the transitions and the transformation that has happened over the years. I found it absolutely intriguing and beautiful to watch some of those pieces that I saw 20 or 30 years ago. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
I'm Nicola.
Nicola, hi Nicola.
Hello, this is my first time at Grahamstown,
Yes.
and it's been just the perfect sort of introduction and brief overview of South African dance, which I think is a seriously sort of researched area, and an incredibly important sort of aspect of theatre and history and performance and art. And it's just the perfect sort of place to dip your toes into something that I'm very interested in, and sort of to find out what you want to learn more about. And yes, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I think it's an incredibly important and innovative step in so many areas, not just technology, not just history and archiving, but specifically for dance, which is incredibly important, I think.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.